Ever felt like your online scheduling was a chaotic game of phone tag, sticky notes, and endless back and forths? Like you're constantly chasing appointments instead of running your business? Honestly, how much time do you think you waste every week just trying to get people booked? Hours, right? Precious hours you could be spending on, well, anything else. Think about it. The client who emails at 2 a.m., the last-minute cancellation that throws your whole day off, the double booking that leaves someone furious. It's a logistical nightmare, and in today's fast-paced world, people expect instant gratification. They want to book when it suits them, not when you're available to pick up the phone. Now, imagine a world where your clients can book appointments 24/7, where your calendar updates automatically, and where you can focus on what you do best. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that can turn that dream into reality. The Acuity scheduling account. You might have heard the name floating around, or maybe you're completely new to it. Either way, we're going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and why it might be the key to simplifying your business and reclaiming your time. So, what exactly is an Acuity scheduling account? In its simplest form, it's an online appointment scheduling software. But it's so much more than just a digital calendar. Think of it as your personal, tireless assistant, working around the clock to manage your appointments, freeing you from the tedious task of manual booking. Essentially, Acuity provides a customizable booking page that you can embed on your website, share on social media, or send directly to clients. This page displays your availability, allowing clients to select a service, choose a date and time, and book their appointment in seconds. But let's peel back the layers and explore the key features that make Acuity so powerful. First, and perhaps most importantly, is automated scheduling. Once you set your availability, Acuity handles the rest. Clients can book, reschedule, or cancel appointments without you lifting a finger. This eliminates the back-and-forth emails and phone calls, freeing up your time and reducing the risk of human error. Next, we have customizable booking pages. Acuity allows you to create a booking page that reflects your brand. You can add your logo, choose colors, and even customize the language to match your target audience. This creates a professional and consistent experience for your clients. Then there's service and appointment type management. If you offer multiple services, Acuity lets you create different appointment types with varying durations and prices. This ensures that clients book the correct service and that you allocate the appropriate amount of time. Payment integration is another crucial feature. Acuity integrates with popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to collect payments at the time of booking. This streamlines the payment process and reduces the risk of no-shows. Automated reminders and notifications are a game changer. Acuity sends automated email and text reminders to clients, reducing the likelihood of missed appointments. You can also customize these reminders to include specific instructions or information. Time zone management is essential for businesses with clients in different locations. Acuity automatically adjusts appointment times based on the client's time zone, eliminating confusion and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Reporting and analytics provide valuable insights into your business. Acuity tracks key metrics like appointment volume, revenue, and client behavior, allowing you to identify trends and make data-driven decisions. Integrations with other tools are a key part of Acuity's flexibility. It can integrate with popular platforms like Google Calendar, Zoom, and MailChimp, streamlining your workflow and connecting your essential business tools. Now, let's talk about who can benefit from using an Acuity account. The answer is pretty much anyone who needs to manage appointments. Small business owners can use Acuity to automate their scheduling, reduce administrative tasks, and improve the client experience. Freelancers and consultants can use Acuity to manage their time, book clients, and collect payments. Health and wellness professionals like therapists, coaches, and personal trainers can use Acuity to manage client appointments, send reminders, and collect payments. Beauty professionals like hairstylists, estheticians, and massage therapists can use Acuity to manage appointments, track client preferences, and send promotional offers. Educational institutions and tutors can use Acuity to schedule tutoring sessions, workshops, and appointments with students. Anyone who offers services that require booking appointments can benefit from using Acuity. But how do you actually set up an Acuity account? It's a relatively straightforward process. First, you'll need to create an account on the Acuity scheduling website. You can choose from different plans based on your needs and budget. Next, you'll need to set your availability. This involves specifying your working hours, days off, and any other time constraints. Then, you'll need to create your appointment types. This involves specifying the service name, duration, price, and any other relevant details. You'll also need to customize your booking page. This involves adding your logo, choosing colors, and customizing the language. Finally, you'll need to integrate your payment gateway and any other relevant tools. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start accepting appointments. Now, you might be wondering, what are the potential downsides? Like any software, Acuity isn't perfect. The learning curve can be a bit steep for some users, especially those who are not tech-savvy. However, Acuity offers extensive documentation and support to help users get started. The pricing structure may be a concern for some small businesses or individuals on a tight budget. However, the time savings and increased efficiency often outweigh the cost. Over-reliance can also be a potential issue. While Acuity automates many tasks, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. You'll need to monitor your appointments, respond to client inquiries, and maintain a personal touch. But let's be real, the benefits far outweigh the potential drawbacks. Acuity can significantly improve your efficiency, freeing up your time to focus on other important tasks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.